today in the third video of my LLD series, I will be explaining a notification service design, and I will be explaining a very simple code that if this question is asked in interview, you can go ahead and code it. And also in this particular design, I will be showing you three very common design patterns, which is strategy design pattern, factory design pattern, as well as observer design pattern. So I will quickly start and explain you the code, and then I will tell how I've implemented this design patterns and how in interview you can code this and show that this design patterns you know and you are implementing. So I'm basically trying that a notification service where a user can choose a different notification type, like a email notification or a push notification, and maybe a user can subscribe to some subject, and whenever there are some notification needs to send based on user requirement, each and every user will be getting notified. So it's a very simple code. You can obviously go and expand it. There are many ways you can expand it. I have created a very short and crisp code that you can code in your interview. So you can see I have one interface called notification strategy. It has a method send notification, and there are two classes which is implementing this interface, which is email notification and push notification. And here, like how the email notification is sent and how push notification is sent, the behavior will change. So this is particularly the strategy design pattern. In the strategy design pattern, basically one interface is defined, and there are different class will implement that strategy or implement that interface, and in the particular method they will have their own behavior. So the child class of those interfaces will actually implement in their own way. So this is the example of strategy design pattern. And the email notification, I have just for simplicity printing that sending email, and for the push notification I am just printing a sending push notification. This can be obviously modified, and there will be different structure how they are implemented. Next, I will be showing you factory design pattern. So factory design pattern is like how you are creating different objects of different type. So clearly here there are two notification type, email and push notification. I have created one class called notification factory, and this particular class will create the notification strategy. So there is a static method which is creating notification strategy based on the notification type. So this enum I will take email and push. If there is like the input value is email, I am creating a email notification class, and if the value is push, then I am creating a push notification class. So you can see how these objects are created. It's simply implemented within this method. This method is actually expecting a like notification strategy will be given. What notification strategy, how this notification strategies are getting created, that is very internal to this method. So it is not a class specific method. It's not saying that create email notification or create push notification. It is expecting the interface as a return type, and within this method I am creating the classes. So it is actually going with the factory design pattern. And then I am going to implement how this observer design pattern or how this subscriber can get the notification. So I have created another class called subscriber. Subscriber has a name and the notification strategy, whatever the subscriber want, how they want to get notified. So there is this constructor and the get update, how subscriber wants to get update. So whatever their strategy, they will just call the method send notification, and they will be getting updated. And then the final notification publisher class here, I have a subscriber list. So because I have created a very basic method, that is why I'm creating a list. Maybe it can be expanded, like different topic or different channel had different subscriber list, and whenever this channels wants to publish something, it want all of its subscriber to get notified. So I have created a simple list, a subscriber list, and obviously I have used singleton design pattern so that there will be only one instance of notification publisher. The same thing I have implemented it on my previous codes also. You can go and check. So this particular I'm not explaining, this is a private constructor, and I'm trying to get the instance in a static class so that I am always getting one object. And here I have a class called add subscriber. So whenever I'm trying to add the subscriber, a subscriber will be added in my list, and when I want notify all subscriber, I will just go through all the list, and subscriber dot get update will update those subscriber based on their strategy they have chosen. So I have taken an example that there are two subscriber S1 and S2. S1 wants email notification and S2 wants push notification. And then I'm creating the notification publishers instant, and I added both as a subscriber. And when I'm trying to notify, let's try to run the code and see what happens. So ideally S1 has chosen email subscription, email notification, and S2 has chosen push notification. So you can say for the subscriber one, I have printed as like it is printed as sending email, and for subscriber two, it is sending the push notification. So this is one very simple example of notification system design. This is a very famous question which is asked in Microsoft and Uber. You can practice the question like this. And also additionally, if you want to give mock interview with me, my topmate link is there. You can go and check with me. I am taking the mock interviews. Also, there are other videos for this particular LLD channel. You can go and follow this series, and there will be lots of video on that. Thank you.